okukulaakulana wabula olunaku olwaleero munsabire kubanga omugenyi gwena mu studio ayogera patwa ate nyinza obutabiwulira bulungi. So today in studio tulina mwana mulenzi Beenie Gunter bali abayayi tubasobola.
Yeah.
Empako yawe.
Empako yange ya puli.
Tapuli.
Yawe.
Akiki.
Takiki.
Oli kurungi.
Ndi kurungi.
Awe nkomaso. Sayongera, how have you been?
I've been blessed. I give thanks, you know. Yeah, it's a pleasure being here.
To be this clean, this fresh.
I think it's more of self-love.
Self-love.
Yeah.
Onayo merchandising mmeka eziriko Gantok?
A lot. I can't even count, but it's a label, so it's out there in the public. People purchase, and yeah, I just love it. I just love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Never knew ntologira bao Monyonyo, Salama Road, Gaba Road, ngeitawo ngeriko Gantok.
Yeah.
Ngamba Gantok dada oyaitawo.
Yeah.
What is your biggest regret from last year?
Just trusting in people, you know.
Trusting people.
Yeah, counting on people.
Teacher wandi choosiza. If I'd given you time and opportunity to go back last year.
No, I wouldn't want to go back. I'm already in this year and it's looking good, so I don't need nothing from last year. Yeah.
When was the last time you posted on TikTok? Could you remember the time?
Yeah. Today at 6.
Sure.
Yeah.
If we checked your last post, would it show me like 2 hours back?
It can actually 2 hours or 1 hour and a half, something like that.
Kandabe kubanga amute mmanyi kwe 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
How many likes do you have in total on TikTok?
It's like 3 million and thing.
Be keeping a track of.
Yeah. Fully active now. Yeah.
So how is music going this year?
This year is looking good.
You have an album you released last month towards the end.
No, actually, I just released the album 8 days ago. Yeah, and I'm very positive how people are receiving the album, and kind of feels like the reception is good. People have been missing good music, and they have been missing Beenie Gunter, and now they are ready for Beenie, and Beenie has been ready for them.
All right.
Yeah.
Oinake nyimba 13. Waliwo oluyimba oli mu number 6. Omanyi nalikeyo ne prim. Omanyi sa mkwala ngamba prim asimwe. Yanjigize engeri gye basoma kalika akali mu patwa katinze nga nyina okukasoma dreams can't lie. Ne kati kalika
Can't die.
Can't die, yes. So, how do you keep track of how to write patois, how to say what in patois?
It's a language just somewhere how you know English. I'm just I've been doing this for a while. It's been a long time, and it's something that's more of like natural. I don't even write. I don't even flex. Yeah, man. I never write no song before. I never write music. I just express myself.
So, do your friends ever complain about you talk? Because me, I'm about to complain. That's
going to be a problem, because this is how I talk.
Yeah, so how, if I'm supposed to tell you, yeah,
you have the freedom to. Yeah, that's why I'm here. You have to ask what
you've been speaking like this. You can't change your English and speak like me.
Oh, my entire life. No, you're understanding, we're communicating. I don't know how to speak like fluent, correct English. I'm not sure I can do that.
All right. Yeah. Most memorable moment when you're in studio with that Dexter Dubs?
Memorable moment. We just stepped in studio. They sampled us 1-2 tracks, and on that particular track where we recorded, it just took me like not even a minute before they even finished the track, and I was just feeling like with these melodies, my dreams can't die. I mean, like, you cannot do it like then. You can, and then it's Dexter saying, "Let's go to studio, let's do something." Then that means like, why I had to sing about melodies and dreams, is he listened to my song, and he's like, this guy has a lot of melodies and different flows in one person. Yeah, man. And it was like I needed to meet the artist, and then we had a conversation, and yeah, it was more of people who have a relation, you know, in like different things. So yeah, we did have a link studio, and then when we was in studio, it was just basically freedom, not like this is a big artist and thing. No, it was just like an expression of feelings. We have dreams, he has his dreams, he has places he want to get
So
get
basically,
to.
it was about dreams. You guys
Yeah,
are going
it was
through and
about
everything.
dreams because he had more stories like, man, you know, from when we started this, a lot of people used to say you can't work for and thing, and I'm on forward. I'm not even part of that show, and then it's just God's timing, you know, because I wasn't even part of the show. I wasn't even there. I wasn't anywhere.
Part
But
of the lineup of the concert.
yeah, but just being on TV and then, yeah, dreams can die, never.
Okay. I think I've asked you this question before. Waliwo mimbo mwe yagamba nti international collabos tezibakolera mwe nga ba local artist mbu kiba kirungi
city
nnyo
local artist.
no investinga mu banno waneeno.
City local artist.
Or international.
Yeah, I'm an international artist, so yes, man.
Anyway, what is your take about collaborations with people from different countries? Let me say Nigeria, for example, now Dexter Dubs from Jamaica.
It's a good thing. I think it's a good thing to be introduced to new markets. It can even be from Gulu. Yeah.
So has Dexter Dubs ever called you Nagamba maybe mujangwe in Jamaica to pushing all yimba?
Yeah, we talk. When I was in Canada, he actually called me. I was surprised at a certain time, and I'm like, oh, so now you can even pick up your call, and then Fling Pan was like, yo, my friends like this song, and you know, it's a big thing. You should have forward Jamaica and then shoot a video. And I was supposed to go to JA, but the weather wasn't really that nice, and then the other thing, I had to come back to Uganda to release the album.
The album.
Yeah, so we had to push it forward. So summertime, we go forward. Anything. If we have to shoot a video, we'll go shoot it. Yeah.
Chakutrela banga chok recording the 13 songs on the new school tape.
Not much time, but the only time that I took was to select. So I took like 4 months, but I have a whole bunch of music I've been recording. Like I record music every week. Even after here, I'm going back to studio.
Gulinganga muzimu.
Yeah, it's just.
Kasero boyagala genda ku recordinga luyimba.
I love studio more than any other place. I would rather not. I don't go out. I'm not a fan of being in the club and things. So I can be in studio till morning, because I'm more to the music. Like I don't like that. Like wasting time.
So what is your social life? If you're going to have a good time, or ugenda college?
Sing.
Sing only?
And
Togenda go ku beach.
that is part of yeah, I do. I move. I go hang out somewhere, but not like this nightclub life and thing. Yeah, like I want to go.
I think I've never seen you in the
Yeah, I don't do that. I would rather at least we have at our studio. We have like a chilling place outside, lights and whatever, like a setup for vibes. So we have our, our in friends.
So you guys vibe from home, from studio?
Yeah, more than a vibe from where I feel like I'm safe.
Beenie Gunter?
So many people are my friends, and in the industry or
in the industry betumanyi kati nga bonagamba nti Beenie Gunter mukwano gwa Palaso.
Beenie Gunter mukwano gwa nira ni Beenie Gunter era still mukwano gwa Palaso.
Oh, ani mukwano gwa omulala?
Banji nnyo. Currently,
like
my closest. Currently, it's Mimi.
Mimi Kampala?
Yeah. Why are you laughing?
Beenie Gunter. Mimi Kampala is one of your closest friends.
Yeah.
Mama yazeda amanyi manji. I understand the force. So umuyambako, you advise her on music?
Yeah. She's more of like family, like from day one when we did that song. Yeah.
Honestly, personally, the first time I saw Mimi Kampala, there's something I saw in her. Actually, I actually told her. So kanjagala manya gwenga Beenie Gunter, what did you see in her, you as an artist? Because first of all, reggae dancehall, guam kwatiri de one.
Yeah, I saw like a very ambitious person, talented person, disciplined person, and a go-getter, someone who's going to win, not to lose. Because more time people have talents and besa sida, stuff like that. Senga balinye babiranya musenga senga katukwe mulgunya kusinga okukola. And she's not that type of person. So I don't like people who are, people who are. Yeah, I'm a very, very, very ambition-oriented person. Like if I got to get something, I got to get it. I don't care who believes or who doesn't. I have my Jesus, so I can get anything. So that is it.
Just go wekali.
No, I'm the only artist, but Gunter is big. We have this. We have Idris Homi. He's a fashion designer.
Talents.
Yeah, Tungengoy. We have production. We have darkroom records. We have producers. We have video directors. We have models, fashion designers. Yeah. It's a whole different thing.
Bintu ki byosinga okwagala Beenie? Ng'oggyeko ogenda mu studio ne recording akuba kitwakitegedde.
Biki bye nsinga okwagala? Nsinga kwagala Yesu, kye kisooka.
Ekyokubiri?
Ekyokubiri.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
No, please, you're a pervert, so just let me.
Anyway, ekyokubiri.
Ekyokubiri, I love my family. I love myself. Actually, ekyokubiri, I love Jesus, I love myself.
Amen.
Yeah, and then I love any other things.
After Jesus and you?
After Jesus and me.
Awo newajawo music, then family.
Newajawo music, newajawo family, newajawo my son, newajawo.
Part ki wano mu Uganda gye basinga okukwaniriza ennyo. Which cities or which districts?
Northern Uganda.
Northern Uganda.
Yeah.
Why do I feel like Hoima loves you so much?
Actually, it was my first time to go to Hoima, but I've been going through Hoima, going to different places.
Kubanga banshokinze waliwo ka video ke nalabye ku TikTok nga they are singing the song plenty nengamba.
Yeah, no, the music is moving. People now have access to music like directly. They have choices, like different options where to get the music, and it's a good look. Like it's no longer that, you know, as long as your fans know where to get you, they know where, like your TikTok, your YouTube, your Instagram and stuff, and you have, if you have like staunch fans who really love you as you and they're waiting for you, you can get your music to them without even having to go anywhere.
Nga tuzeeko ku album luyimba kiro yagamba oba luno nduteekeko oba luno nduleke n'oluteekako nga bw'oluggyako n'oluteekako nga bw'oluggyako.
Nze najjako saazizaako kubanga nange binsobera oluusi binnemulonda.
Tolinawo someone ng'alina second ear, second thought?
No, when it comes to music, I'm too personal to it. Like,
obyerondera.
Because it's a spiritual thing, so you may not understand what's going on. So it's very hard for me to trust anyone with my music, actually.
Olinayo omuntu actinga nga manager oba olinayo manager?
Yeah, I work with a team of people, like different people.
Kale tukyanjawulo. Waliwo okukola ne team nga gwe boss.
Nze boss.
Nze
Gunter boss. And in other partners, I work with Zafa, but not my bosses. I don't have a boss in this life. Zafa music something? Yeah, music agency.
Oh yeah, free.
Their business.
Back then.
Their business partners. I have Zafa, I have Darkroom, I have Dreammakers Entertainment, and I have Terror Family Production, Jamaica. Yeah.
Hey, Jamaica, you never partners.
Yeah.
When our followers work on Spotify?
Spotify, I haven't yet checked lately. I've not been. I'm gonna have to ask my handler for the numbers, Peter. But.
Botula wansi no balamu a music gy'omuteeka. But it's a distribution apps, right? Ofunanga sente meka from all these apps. Kubanga waliwo kuti omuyimbi omu yayangambye nti no bw'atula ku Spotify n'agi concentratingako afuna akasente ne kafuna kye kakavaringa oba rent n'abaya nti buli mwezi.
Of course, that's why we are doing music like that, because we have different accounts, we have different waliyo YouTube, Spotify, waliyo CCA, and whatever. So the money comes in. Yeah, and if you have a catalog, the most important thing is to have timeless music so that, you know, the streams keep coming. Because sometimes people have popular songs that come and be popular and then they go off. So after 6 months or a year, no one wants to listen to that song anymore. Yeah, like no abantu when oyino kola music abantu ge bagenda owuliriza nga buli lwala owuliriza lupya. Yeah, there are songs that are very famous. Popular songs, I call them popular songs, mistaken for hit songs.
Aha, kasoko mpenja ya popular song ne hit song.
A hit song is a hit. It hits every time you listen to it.
Hit your what that?
Like, it hits you.
No,
not like hitting it like like it triggers you. Yeah.
Yes.
Nti kale ne banga omanyi lyrics kale kakana mu mutima teribayo mulala kuchira, like if I sing something about that song, automatically you know. And it doesn't have to be like a timely thing. It has to be like timeless.
Yes.
Timeless. 7 years you're still listening to the song. 7 years you're still vibing to Circle Down, and it feels like yesterday.
Down, yes.
Yeah. So that's the type of music I'm saying. That it grows. That's why sometimes people say like numbers don't lie, but sometimes in this generation, numbers can lie. Like these figures can lie. At the end of the day, you can force people to view something they don't like. They will view. You'll get the view, but they haven't liked it.
How many times do you work out in a week?
Every day.
Without fail?
Without fail. Even right now, I can give you like 30 push-ups.
Bolwala. You still work out?
Of course, I only work out when I'm feeling okay. Yeah.
So you... So what if you don't work out for a month? What happens to your arm? What happens to your arm? It goes back?
That type of laziness, I don't have it. Working out is more of like a therapy to me. It helps me like do a lot.
Whenever I'm approaching because of your body?
Yeah.
Never gamba Beenie, I love your body.
Yeah.
Do you get money out of it?
Money?
Do they ever give you money? Because mnalika bulungi na kwa pounds.
Impossible stage, impossible.
Stage yale kwa pounds.
Binge.
One piece of advice you're giving to the lovers out there.
You can't give what you don't have. So love yourself so that you can be able to love others.
No, I can't categorize. When I love someone and they love me back, I'll love myself more.
No, you can't give what you don't have.
So you want to say you didn't have love? Are you in a relationship now?
No.
Okay. So why are you not in a relationship? Because you haven't loved yourself to give someone else love?
No, it's just not the time for me.
When is the Beenie Gunter? When is the time?
The time will come. You will know when it comes.
Anyway, anytime the time can.
No, but sometimes you need like right now being in a relationship is something you have to use your mind first.
Obongo.
Yeah.
Not your heart?
Yeah. Now it's two-way. You can't use one.
Do you believe in a girl who says, "Omusajja talina sente so I'm dating"?
Era naye abamuwavu.
Nedda katikali wabanga mugagga ng'alinamu kasente ke ng'alaba okudating omusajja omwavu amuzza wansi.
Kati aba apimyemu bulungi. Oba bulungi oba bubi.
Kati oyagala omwavu ate ayagala mwavu munne.
No, like ngamba buli muntu alina goals ze mu bulamu. Okitegeera. Tetusobola beera nga tulina preferences ezimu ku bintu byonna. So kyoyagala ekikunyumira kiyinza obutanyumira. Naye bwebanga tekinyumira tekitegeeza nti tekinyuma. Mbuba musango, mbuba okitegeera. So if oli kyayagala musajja ali bw'ati ng'afuna oyo choice ye waba ayagala funa gwateekamu ng'era ng'afuna oyo omutima gwe kyegusalawo kyakola.
Anyway, tusigaze dakiika emu mbadde nsaba abantu obagambe maybe ko kituleseeyo ku kya album new school tape.
Yeah. Album yange efulumye. It's called a new school tape. It has 12 tracks. One is intro, so that's why I had to say 12. Tulinako Wendy, thank you everybody that's streaming the album. It's crazy love that I'm getting out there. And I have like now, so far it's like 4 or 5 songs on the album that are trending. And that's like 8 days.
Plenty kweli kwa album.
Yeah, plenty kweli. Lina mitwalo nga 13 something ya posts. Wendy akafuluma wezeze mitwale na ya posts. Then she bent down, is also doing very well and might come today. plus the Dexter song. So yeah.
Let's call your videos on.
Yeah. I have video. I'm dropping a video when Friday for She Bend Down. I shot some other videos. No, I'm shooting in Canada. So I have more videos on there, and I'm still shooting more.
All right, tell us where we can get the album and we sign out.
Album is everywhere on every streaming platform: YouTube, Amazon, Apple Music, and all of that. Spotify, AudioMac. Just go stream the album. It's called The New School Tape, Volume 1. Right. Yeah, if you consume this music that first, I might give you the volume 2 maybe in 2 months or 3 months from now.
Wait, AI.
But I'm more than that now. Like musically, I'm too into it.
All right.
Because I have the music, so if I have 200 songs, what can I say?
What can you do anyway?
What do you want me to do?
Anyway, thank you so much. Nous never going to show you all. Oluzungu lwokasubire lubadde mu lupato kasubire mufunye
Neshmaye twogedde luzungu by the way.
Twogedde patwa.
Tusinze kwogera luzungu wendaba, which is a nice thing.
Obula msule bulungi. Good night, guys.